Investigation into the Pimpri-Pune poisonous liquor tragedy, which has shaken Pune, Pimpri-Chinchwad and the entire state of Maharashtra, is revealing new details almost every day. In a major development, 4 more police personnel from the Pune Rural Police Force has been suspended. With the latest action, the total number of suspended officers and employees from the police and the state excise department has now risen to 29 of them right now. The newly suspended personnel have been identified as Ajit Shivaji and Sumit Nandakumar Waghe from Urli Kanchan Police Station, Ramdas Gyandav, Jagtap from Yavat Police Station, and Subhash from the Dawn Sub-Division Police Officer Office. According to the prior investigation, these police personnel were allegedly in the contact with the main accused in the poisonous liquor case, Radha Sham Prajapte. Following the findings, action was taken against them and they were suspended pending further investigation. So far, a total of 29 officials have been suspended in connection with this case. These include 3 personnel from Pune City Police, 6 from Pimpri-Chinchwad, and 7 from Pune Rural Police, and 13 officials from the State Excise Department. The poisonous liquor tragedy has become a matter of serious concern across Maharashtra following the incident. Police and the excise departments in several districts have identified. Several districts have intensified the actions against illegal liquor operation and have carried out raids and hand-brewed liquor manufacture units. According to the official figure, 22 people have lost their lives and far due to the consumption of the poisonous liquor in Pune, as well as in Pimpri-Chinchwad and other parts of the state as well. Investigators have found that the toxic liquor was allegedly being manufactured in the Fugewadi area. Meanwhile, the case has also sparked a political debate. Shiv Sena UPT leader Ambedas Danve recently met the Pune Police Commissioner and raised questions over the role of the suspended officials yesterday itself. Danve demanded that suspending the officer is not enough. He said that if the officials were aware of the illegal liquor business and failed to take action, they should be made co-accused in this case. He questioned how such a large illegal network could continue to operate despite the knowledge of the authorities and called for the strict accountability from all those who are involved in the case. As investigation continues, authorities are now examining the alleged links between the main accused and the government officials, while the families of the victims await justice in one of the Maharashtra's deadliest liquor tragedy in recent years. As we have seen, many people has been lost their lives. As we have seen, many families have lost their loved ones. If we see, the number is increasing day by day. From Hadapsar to Pimpri-Chinchwad and many areas of Pune as well as Pimpri-Chinchwad we have been seen. And in the entire Maharashtra also we have seen this is one of the case that has been counted as the deadliest illegal liquor case that has been seen. Now we have to see what are the further investigation in this entire tragedy as well as the link connected between the police personnel and the members of the excise department also and the officials from the main victim to the officers. But still, suspension was not one of the main action that can be taken place by the police personnel. As we have seen, suspension could not be. They are also need to be counted as the co-accused in this entire tragedy that has been taken place. Now we have to see further investigation regarding this, how much long it will take place and what will be the final outcome regarding that. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.